To secure Klarna financing, start by understanding what Klarna is and how it works. Klarna is a financial technology company that provides payment solutions and financing options to consumers. It allows customers to pay for purchases in installments, either through a pay-in-4 option or a longer financing plan. First, ensure you meet Klarna's eligibility criteria, which typically includes being at least 18 years old, having a valid email address and phone number, and a good credit history. You can check your eligibility by applying for financing through Klarna's website or mobile app. Next, choose the financing option that best suits your needs. Klarna offers various plans, including Pay-in-4, which splits your purchase into 4 equal payments, and longer financing plans that can last several months or even years. Consider the interest rates and fees associated with each plan to make an informed decision. Once you have selected your financing option, you will need to apply for financing through Klarna's website or mobile app. You will be asked to provide personal and financial information, such as your income, employment status, and credit history. Klarna will then review your application and provide a decision, which is usually instant. If your application is approved, review and agree to the terms and conditions of your financing plan. This includes the payment schedule, interest rate, and any fees associated with the plan. Make sure you understand your obligations and the consequences of missing a payment. To increase your chances of securing Klarna financing, maintain a good credit history, ensure your credit utilization ratio is low, and avoid applying for multiple credit products in a short period. It is also essential to make your payments on time, as missed payments can negatively affect your credit score. In conclusion, securing Klarna financing requires meeting the eligibility criteria, choosing the right financing option, and applying through Klarna's website or mobile app. By understanding the process and maintaining good credit habits, you can successfully secure financing and enjoy the benefits of Klarna's payment solutions.